All right, everyone, so this is the AI Box Elite. So inside the box, you guys can see here. Then we have some operating instructions, and then we have the AI Box Elite. So you can kind of get a good look at it right there. Looks pretty good. Yep. Right. So it looks like they give you a USB-C to USB-C cord, and then also a USB-C to USB-A cord. So depending on whatever kind of setup you have in your car, yeah, so that's what's inside the box. All right, everyone, so we have the actual AI Box Elite plugged in. Once it's plugged in, we're gonna go ahead and kind of pull it up here. And it depends on whatever type of infotainment you have is how you have to hook it up. All right, everyone, so now we're on the home screen of the AI Box Elite. So what we want to do now is set up the wireless connection between your phone and the actual box. So what you need to do is a couple things. One, you'll need to set up the hotspot on your phone to connect to this. So what we're going to do is you'll go to settings here, and then you'll go to Wi-Fi. Then once you get into Wi-Fi, which is here, make sure that the hotspot is connected on your phone. Right. So now that the hotspot is connected, now what we're going to do is go back to home. So the one thing about this AI Box Elite, one, you touch the screen and you'll see an indicator pop up. You hit that, it pulls up a quick menu. The first icon is home, then you have back, and then you have some trash, and you have some other stuff. So that's always like your quick menu. AirPlay settings. So you'll hit the AirPlay icon. You'll also hit the EasyCon icon there. And then you'll see car bit pop up for screen mirroring. So you'll hit the screen mirroring for that. And this is going to establish a connection between your phone and this. And then boom. So there you go. That's the car mirroring there. So then you can mirror your screen, which is kind of cool. So let's go to YouTube and let's see how the mirroring works. So let's see how this works. All right. So y'all can see the videos playing right there. Music's playing, everything's looking good. All right, so now what we're gonna do is actually get the CarPlay to set up and work. What we're gonna do is hit speed play. They call it speed play on here. So you're gonna go to your phone and just connect to it. And now it's doing the pairing. Now the CarPlay set up and we're good to go for the AI box. And it's going to work and use your current system right there. And you're good to go. So that's pretty nice and pretty neat. Or if you can hit car, it goes back to the car home screen there. All right, so now how it comes right here, it just has these basic apps on it. So we want to actually go to and download some apps so we can go ahead and test them out. So now let's do all apps. Let's go to Netflix. Boom, Netflix is loading. And it's probably gonna have me sign in, which is cool. Let's go to sign in. So your Netflix is right here. Let's just play Into the Badlands just to see if it will work. Make sure everything's working right. Let's get it popping. We'll just hit play. It's loading up. Oh man, it came in kind of loud. So you can adjust the brightness over here on the side too. So we're good to go. You can check your episodes. Next episode, you can do all that down here. So boom, that's Netflix in the car, man. So that is dope. All right, so one other thing I want to show you is how you can customize this over here. So let's say you don't want Bluetooth phone here, or if you don't want Bluetooth music here, right? So if you hold this down, then it pulls up apps right here. So this will pull up from any apps you have, or if you've downloaded any apps, it'll pull it up here. So you can go to the Play Store, download more apps. So I want to change that to Disney Plus. Now Disney Plus is on the home screen. So everything works perfectly there. We're good to go, man. So this is pretty nice. So everything seems to be working good on this. We'll go ahead and go for a drive around the block, and we're going to test to make sure that this still plays while the car is in motion. All right, let's get to it here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just play a video, and then I'm gonna turn the car on, and then we're gonna see to make sure it still plays while the car is in motion. So y'all can hear the volume there. So let's go ahead and crank the car up. All right, so the video is playing. I know there's a little bit of glare there. All right, so the car's in reverse. So of course reverse is gonna overtake the box, but I'm gonna kind of drive around the block just to make sure everything works. All right, so the video's still playing. Car is in motion. Just in case, I'll zoom out for you guys. Yeah, we're driving around out here. This guy's doing a burnout right in front of me. We're in motion and everything's good to go.